Hey guys, alright, you're looking for Real-Debrid alternatives, something that gives you premium quality streaming links without the buffering headache. Here is the real tea on the best ones out there. First of all, the Real-Debrid. Fast, cheap, easy to use, great link support. The only limitation, smaller file host support than Real-Debrid. It's lightweight, no fluff, works well with Kodi. Next, Link Snappy. Supports 80 plus hosters to rent cloud storage. And the cons, the UI is a bit meh, inconsistent speeds at times, right? And it's versatile and feature rich. Next, and lastly, Debrid Link. Clean interface, solid hoster support, browser extensions. But it's less known, slightly fewer hosters than RD. They have solid performance, modern UI, and stable links. So if you're mainly using Kodi or streaming apps, go with Real-Debrid or Debrid/link. Okay, if you want, or upper score link, excuse me. If you want cloud plus VPN plus torrent support, platforms like Premiumize.me is a killer pick. Just want to test the waters? Real-Debrid has a generous free trial. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.